Once upon a time, in a quaint village, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a baker named Luca. Luca's bakery was renowned far and wide for the most delicious bread, crafted with a secret recipe passed down through generations. But it wasn't just the recipe that made the bread special. It was the love and care Luca poured into every loaf. Every morning before the sun rose, Luca would knead the dough, feeling its soft, pliable texture under his hands. The aroma of baking bread would drift through the village, wrapping the houses in a comforting embrace, waking the villagers with a promise of warmth and nourishment. One day, a young woman named Elara arrived in the village. She was a traveler, seeking solace and inspiration for her art. The moment she stepped into Luca's bakery, the scent of freshly baked bread filled her senses, and she knew she had found something special. Luca, with his warm smile and flour-dusted apron, welcomed her and offered her a piece of his finest creation, a simple yet perfect loaf of sourdough. As Elara bit into the bread, she was overwhelmed by its flavor, the crisp crust giving way to a tender, airy crumb. It was as if the bread held within it the essence of the village, the sun, the earth, and the kindness of the people. She felt a warmth spread through her, not just from the bread, but from the sense of community it represented. Elara returned to the bakery every day, not just for the bread, but for the stories Luca shared. He told her of the old miller who ground the flour, the farmer who tended the wheat fields, and the secret ingredient, love, that made his bread so special. As time passed, Elara and Luca grew close, bound by their love for the simple pleasures of life. They realized that, much like a loaf of bread, life is best enjoyed when shared with others. Their friendship blossomed into love, and together they continued to bake and create, filling the village with the joy of their shared passion. Every time a loaf was pulled from the oven, the villagers knew it was more than just food, was pure love.